Alright guys, we're going to venture away from slope-intercept form here for a little bit. We're still going to be talking about straight lines, still going to be talking about slope and being able to plot a point and use the slope to come up with the graph of a linear equation. But we're going to go through and talk about a different type of formula. It's basically the same exact thing that we've been dealing with, except for it's called point-slope formula. So if you think back, slope-intercept form gave us a slope and the y-intercept, and we were able to plot the points, and we were actually able to look at the graph to come up with those points to come up with the equation. Now, we're not going to use the specific y-intercept anymore. We can pick any point on the graph, hence the word point, and then we're still going to be talking about that slope, which is still the m value. So what we're going to do is we're just going to practice writing the equation of a line. We're going to go from point-slope form and solve for y to go to slope-intercept form. So our three steps that we're going to do is we're going to take the point and the slope that they give us, and we're going to plug it in, and we're going to distribute the m, bomb that m in, and then we're going to take and either add or subtract this variable right here. So let's practice a couple of these problems here. Alright, as you can see, we're going to use this formula right here, point-slope. They give us a slope and a point. We're always going to use that. If they give us a slope and a y-intercept, we're going to use y equals mx plus b right away. So step number one was to take the numbers that they gave us, which was 2/3 and 9/4, and we're going to take and plug them into the equation. So it's going to look like y minus our y value, which was -4, minus -4 equals m, which is 2/3 times x minus, and our x1 value is 9, or the point. The x value of our point is 9, so we're going to plug that in. And then right here we get minus a minus, minus -4 here will turn into a +4. So step one is just plugging the numbers in. Step two was to distribute the slope. So we have y plus 4 equals 2/3 x, and then 2 times 9 is 18, and then 18 divided by the bottom number 3 is 6. So we distribute. First we plugged in, then we distribute, and then we're going to solve, where we're going to either add or subtract this number, and then we have y equals 2/3 x minus 10. So our original equation and our new ending equation are in two different forms, but they are equivalent and they give us the same exact picture. One has a point and a slope, the other one has a specific point, the y-intercept and the slope. So go ahead and try to do this problem. Write the equation of a line given a point and a slope. So you're going to take the values, plug them in for y1 and x1, and plug 2 in for m. You're going to distribute and either add or subtract at the end. So try it out, pause the video, try it out, and I'm going to work through it now. So we're going to take -1 and 8 and plug them in, and take m and plug it in. And we got x minus -1, so that's going to turn into x plus 1. So we plug in, we distribute, and then we add.